evermore rembai ula jied kum Presiden thymmai jong ka Kiang Nangbah Government College Students Union nakabanta kasamoy trikam jong usnem arajar arpulai hadu arajar arpusau. Ya kanil apan benada ke returning officer ka Kiang Nangbah Government College election ka Dr. Bla ka badeiru ka principal jong ka college hadin ka jingnya vote ka balalong ha college menta kasngi. Hakani ka election jied nongkitkam thymmai ladon khat azali ki pos kat baki kertong gi bayak hun hakini ki pos ki don hadu lai pusan ngun kenthop ya ki samla kenthei bat shenrang na pedeng ki lai hajar hendrius pa khat arngut ki samla pulie kani ka college lawan thep vote kum bashi hajar sans pa ar pusangun ka balong saupu ar point ar persen ki samla pulie ki ba pendon kam hok ya ka vote ban jied ya ki nongkitkam thymmai jong ka union. Ka returning officer ka Dr. Bla kalapan bam semai ya ki nongkitkam ka Students Union ha ka jinya don lang wan kraw kupar kharbuli MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner West Jaintia Hills District bat ki no hikai.
Master
having been duly elected to the post of Student Union for the year 2023-24 do solemnly take oath of the office and I promise to abide by the letter and the spirit of the Constitution of the Union. I further promise to respect and maintain the discipline and prestige of the college.
Haka post president ladon laingut ki kertong ki bayakun persya. Bala job do evermore rembai uba pulih ka kerdan BSc 5th semester ban longkum Presiden ke union da ka bayo hadu nyos pa khat savut. Ka post vice president ru ladon laingut ki kertong bala job da umeyai don langtang ubala yo ndrus pa sapusan vot. Haka post general secretary ru ladon laingut ki kertong bala job da udaya trilang sena ubala yo ndrus pa prapu arvon. Haka post assistant general secretary ru ladon laingut ki kertong bala job da ka delis jilla ka bala yo ndrus pa arpu hendai von. Ki weipat ki nongkitkam thymmai ka union ki kenthop ya u hebor mi lamare kum student editor kana phi sabet latam kum ka secretary cultural affairs music and drama u hame isan ko par shadam kum secretary debate and symposium Udame Shalingdo kum secretary indoor games and sports, enning star tem kum secretary outdoor games and sports, kahilari dekhar kum secretary social services, ubante scam suchiang kum secretary boys common room, bat ka obedience lapasam kum secretary girls common room. Presiden thymmai evermore rembai, ula ai khuble ya barok ki samla pule ki bala jied perchania ya Ula khotru ka jinga trelang jong barok ki samla pule naga benta ban but dien bat penlongkam ya ki we ki kam badang sateng nalor ki we de ki kam jong ka college.
So as the leader of the student body, you should also show that you are good in studies. Not only good in the extracurricular, but also you should be that the student will look to you, so that you will be leading them into a right direction, a right path, and then you will be the one of the people who will show to the world that even though you are student body, but you have done your best in your academic field also. So we believe that this union will lead the college so that we will get the better leader for the student body. So I congratulate you once again. May God be with you, grant you knowledge, wisdom, understanding. As I have said, in this post which you are holding, as well as God will enlighten your mind, improve your memory, so that you will be better in your academic field. May God be with you, bless you, grant you good health. Thank you.
a big thing, especially for the new members. It's a new thing for them, but also we also have those old members who will be elected. So a big congratulations to both of them. So as Principal Madam has already stated that you have a big responsibility to lead from the front, and like as he has already told that it's equally important that you excel in academics, because you should know the priority. I mean, why you are here in the first place. But apart from that, even extracurricular activities also are very important. So by engaging yourself in these platforms, I mean, it could provide you with better avenues, okay, in the near future. Once you go out from college, doesn't matter where you will be, but since you have taken this step forward to be part, of a students' union, you could do well, in fact, could contribute well towards a larger society in the future. So that's all from my side. So big congratulations again to all. Thank you.
Evermore by BSc 5th semester Mathematics Department. Ini for seniau kemana betul ada AP di student yang Kiang Nangbah yang kejing kerchan ada upoi kejing job. Saya bila kermen scam awak ada kejing kerchan ke yang pi yo ye kerekam yo ye yak uti ke college ni bentai phai miat yang ke college ni yo ye pendep yang kinuki jing em kam yang ke college ni dan doi te don hi nak liang yang kamu presiden wada cha jied ni ke sini ku boleh cebol ni